Next up, low light combat training for Crown. In this we need to kill 5 enemies without using the NVGs in the chemical plant and kill 5 enemies with fire in the chemical plant. For this I'd highly recommend taking with you a Molotov just to make life a lot easier, just so you don't have to rely on finding mollies when you're inside the Cushy complex. So now that we're in the Cushy complex, you can see that we don't have night vision goggles, so killing 5 enemies is super easy, and 5 enemies with fire should be even easier. Now these are in the chemical plant, so currently where we are right now is one of the exits, or entrances rather, and this does not count. To get 5 kills in the chemical plant that we're now entering without NVGs and 5 fire kills without NVGs. Should be simple enough. I don't have extra ammo, so I'm currently running on whatever I've got. So now for 5 kills. There's 1 fire kill. Here's a second fire kill, hopefully. Perfect. But we're now out of Molotovs. And there we go, there's all of our kills, but unfortunately no more Molotovs in sight. Maybe we'll find one while we're exploring elsewhere. So now coming from Rohan Oil, the entrance should be just to the right here. So down here, and there we go. So we need power. We'll go ahead and stick the power in here and open up the doors. There's 1 more fire kill. And I would like to say another, but unfortunately I've got no more mollies and no more ammo. Ammo box. Let's go ahead and get ourselves some more Molotovs and use them quickly. So I'll need to turn off my night vision as soon as we find some more guards. This door is still locked. I'll need to go out the door that I opened, and let's Molotov 2 more enemies in the chemical plant area. There's 1 more kill and 1 last kill. Now we're done. So there we go. That is low light combat training. Thank you all for watching. You can put your night vision goggles back on. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.